Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are the Spinning Pigskins barbecue team, and today we got a special video. We are unboxing a Wagyu tri-tip from Snake River Farms. Let's check it out. This is my first order from Snake River Farms, and I'm really excited to see what they got in store. This is also going to be my first experience cooking anything that is Wagyu. I've been cooking tri-tips for a while, but this is going to be the first one that I didn't buy just at my local grocery store. When you open the box, the first thing you're going to notice is that Snake River Farms has included a cooking guide. I'm sure it's going to have a lot of nice tips and tricks for how to cook some of the quality meats that Snake River Farms is going to send you. For me personally, I kind of have a plan already of what I want to do with this tri-tip. My plan is just to do a simple rub, salt, pepper, garlic, and a reverse sear to bring it up to temp and give it a nice crust. Once you set the paperwork aside, you see the styrofoam box that the tri-tip came in. The people at Snake River Farms really did a good job of packing this thing down with a lot of dry ice to ensure the quality of their product. Underneath the dry ice was this black bag. It had the Snake River Farms logo on it. And inside the black bag was our tri-tip. The tri-tip arrived, and naturally it was frozen. Being shipped across the country, it kind of makes sense. But you can see some of the marbling inside the tri-tip when you look at the back. I think this thing's going to be really good when I get a chance to cook it. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe so you can get updates on when we actually cook this tri-tip and you can see the final product.